Let's continue understanding the division of two integers. Consider one example in which minus 17 is to be divided by 5. Okay. So to find the answer, generally what we should do is, first of all, forget the signs. So if I forget the sign, these are two integers, 17 is to be divided by 5. Now we know 5 threes are 15. If we subtract, this is 2, and we will have to take 0 here and point will be here. So 5 fours are 20 and here we have 0. So it is terminating expansion, and we know that 17 divided by 5 would have been 3.4. Now just simply check the signs. If both the signs are positive or both the signs are negative, the answer will be positive. But if one sign is negative and one sign is positive, then the answer is minus 3.4. Okay, so what is to be remembered? If let's say we have 17 divided by 5, both are positive, the answer will be plus. Correct. If both are negative, so let's say minus 17 divided by minus 5, the answer will be plus. Positive divided by positive is positive, negative divided by negative is also positive, but negative divided by positive is negative, and if I take 17 upon minus 5, this answer will also be negative, minus 3.4. So this is how we can deal with division of positive or negative integers. Now, in the earlier video also I have told, also remember, you cannot divide by 0. If you divide a number by 0, the answer is not defined. Going further, let's talk about the remainders. Let me start with this example again. If I am dividing 17 by 5, so we have 5 threes are 15, and if we subtract, 2 is remaining. What does it mean? Let's say there are 5 people named A, B, C, D and E. If I divide these 17 things, I will go on distributing. I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and now only 2 are remaining, 16, 17. So this, each of them got 3 things, that is our quotient. And after distributing it equally, 2 things are remaining, and that is our remainder. Now, my question is, can this remainder be equal to or greater than divisor? In this case, can the remainder, if we are dividing by 5, can the remainder be 5 or greater than 5? Obviously, you can understand it cannot be. Why? Because 5 or more things, if 5 or more things are remaining, then we can distribute it again once, right? That means if the remainder is greater than or equal to divisor, your operation of division hasn't ended. You haven't done it completely. So remember this very important property, that 0 less than equal to remainder is less than divisor. So remainder is always greater than equal to 0 and less than divisor when divisor we are dividing some number. Now, special case arises when we are dividing a negative number. Let's say we are dividing minus 17 by 5. In this case, 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15. Okay, when we subtract, it becomes plus and we have minus 2. Remember, the remainder cannot be negative because remainder is always between 0 and divisor. Okay, so how to find the remainder in this case? So in this case, the remainder will be minus 2 plus 5, this divisor, right? And that is equal to 3. So in this case, the remainder is 3. So if after doing the, let's say, division operation, if the remainder is looking as negative number, add if remainder is negative, add divisor to it to obtain actual remainder. Okay, So if the remaining thing is negative, add divisor to obtain the remainder. I hope this is clear to you now.